Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button to see more home, holiday, event, wedding, and DIY decor. Today I'm going to show you how to make another beautiful wedding centerpiece and setup. Here we go. Today's inspiration is brought to you by me cleaning my basement. Seriously, I can make about 20 centerpieces out of all the supplies I have down there. So let's get started. I'm going to start by making a very easy vase for my floral arrangement. It's going to consist of 2 Pilsner cups or beer cups and a small round vase from Dollar Tree. I'm going to turn this cup over, and then I'm going to place this one right on top, and I'm going to glue it with E6000. And then you're going to place the other right inside the vase. Next, I'm going to be placing this brown candle holder on top of my vase, and I'm going to be gluing it upside down because it has these 3 legs on here that will not let me lay it flat. So I'm just going to do it upside down. Now I'm going to glue my floral foam right on top. I'm going to start my arrangement with white hydrangeas from Dollar Tree. Next, I'm going to be using purple hydrangeas from Walmart. These were $3 a bouquet, and I'm going to be cutting them about 4 inches long. Now I'm going to place a bouquet of purple hydrangeas to the top of the floral foam to gauge how tall I want the arrangement to be. I'm going to add more purple hydrangeas on top of the white hydrangeas, and these are going to be about 6 inches long. Now I'm going to use this white purplish hydrangeas from Walmart. These are also $3 a stem, and I'm going to place them in all the empty spaces. So I'm left with 4 empty spots on each side. So what I'm going to do is, because I don't want to add a whole bouquet of purple hydrangeas and I don't have any more of these, so what I'm going to do is add just 1 flower of the purple hydrangea. So I'm just going to add it to the bouquet that's already here to make it fuller. So I ended up adding a little more of the white hydrangeas to the bottom to make it a little bit more full, also it can look as full as the rest of the hydrangeas, and it looks much better. Look at that. Perfect. And finally, I'm going to add white roses from Dollar Tree. I'm just going to add a few randomly to break it up a little bit. And for a final touch, I'm going to add pearls to the arrangement. So, I think I'm going to use this white spread of roses from Michael's. These were $2 a bouquet, and I think I'm going to place them at the bottom of the pearls. Let's see how that looks. So here are the roses, and as you can see, the other 4 has the green leaves on them. In this one, I ended up placing a little piece of the petals of the hydrangeas, and I think I'm gonna go ahead and do that with all of them. Okay guys, this is it. This is my wedding centerpiece for this week, and it ended up being a beautiful and elegant pearl centerpiece. Love it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please make sure to give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure to do so right now. Also, leave me a comment, let me know what you thought of my wedding centerpiece, and leave me a comment anyway, because I love to chit chat with you guys all the time. And make sure to share. Sharing is caring. If you know of a friend or a family member that's getting married soon, make sure to share it with them, because you'll be able to save them $1 or $2. Seriously. Until next time, bye.